Hey guys, Christian over at Enfit Car Stereo. Today we're in a 2014 Audi TT Roadster with Bose, and we're going to show you how to turn off the digital turn on when installing an aftermarket radio. Alright guys, so first thing you're going to open is the Rostec VCDS, otherwise known as VADCOM. I think they changed name when they changed something, but everyone still calls it VADCOM. So you're going to open up, this is the main page of the programmer, of the program. So we used to offer the digital turn on as a $100 add-on. What ended up happening is that we've had issues with customers. Some customers used to buy it because they thought they needed it, and they're pissed that the $200 upgrade didn't fix their issue when the digital turn on wasn't their issue. Then we've had one or two customers with a random car like a 2007 without Bose that needed a digital turn on. So we just, to be honest with you, the turn on was $100 more than the regular harness, and it cost us about $90. So we made $10 for 20 minutes worth of labor. So it was never worth it to us to sell it, but we did it as a favor. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with the Rostec, because the Rostec right now is $200. So for an extra $100, you get the digital turn on, and you also get a diagnostic tool for your car. So win-win for everybody. So you're going to go over here, you're going to select the control module. All right, let me do it with the non-touchscreen. Select control module. All right, and then you're going to go over here where it says sound system. Okay, boom. Now let me drag this over. Then you're going to go into coding. Now I'm going to drag this over. All right. So if you look over here, you'll notice that there is a 3. This letter right here is a 336, that first 3. So if you look over here, you see activation, remote wire, and signal level. 3 is not even in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the 3 into a 1. All right. And then now you're going to click on do it. Here, you hear the static on the speakers. All right, so that's it. That's all you got to do. Go back, and then go back, and then exit, and that's it. That's how you turn off the digital turn on a Audi TT with or without Bose.